I'm here in the hotel right now because of the typhoon. So I don't have electricity in the house, and also there's no internet connection. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to stay here for 4 days and then going back to the house again. So this is my outfit today, so I can make video here. So this is my lovely sandal. I'm gonna take off this one. So this is my room. This is my room. This is my hotel room. This is my bed, single bed. The other side is my daughter bed. Daughter bed. So okay, I'm going to take off my shoes.
That's my
Stay
bed.
right there.
That's my bed, Mom.
So I have this transparent nail polish. So it's colorless. That's all for now, and I'll see you again next video. So I'm gonna